Choosing the right camera for travel in 2026 can feel overwhelming with so many options flooding the market. Nikon has quietly become one of the strongest choices for travelers, offering cameras that balance image quality, portability, and reliability better than almost any other brand right now. Whether you want a pocketable super zoom for casual sightseeing or a full-frame powerhouse for serious photography on the road, Nikon has a camera built for your journey. In this video, we are counting down the top 6 Nikon cameras that belong in every traveler's bag this year. These cameras have been chosen for their real-world performance, battery life, weight, and image quality when it matters most, far from home. Let's find your perfect travel companion. Number 6. Nikon Coolpix P1100. Starting our countdown at number 6 is the Nikon Coolpix P100, the ultimate grab-and-go super zoom for travelers who want maximum reach without carrying extra lenses. This camera features an incredible 125x optical zoom, letting you capture distant landmarks, wildlife, and architecture details without ever swapping glass. The fully articulating screen makes composing shots from tricky angles simple, whether shooting street scenes low to the ground or crowds overhead. It shoots 4K video, giving you flexibility to capture memories in both stills and motion. The built-in electronic viewfinder helps with composing shots in bright outdoor sunlight where screens often wash out. Raw shooting capability gives photography enthusiasts more control during editing later. The camera includes built-in Wi-Fi for quick sharing, straight to your phone while traveling. Battery life is respectable for a super zoom, lasting through a full day of sightseeing. The all-in-one design means no lens changes, no dust worries, and no extra weight in your bag. It is significantly cheaper than any interchangeable lens system, yet still delivers surprisingly sharp images at moderate zoom ranges. Travelers love this camera for safaris, city tours, and anywhere unpredictable zoom needs arise suddenly. The grip is comfortable for extended handheld shooting sessions. When you want one camera that does everything without complexity, the Coolpix P1100 is a genuinely smart travel choice. Number 5. Nikon ZFC. At number 5 is the Nikon ZFC, a retro-styled mirrorless camera that combines vintage charm with genuinely modern performance for travelers. This camera features a classic film camera aesthetic with dedicated dials for shutter speed and exposure compensation, making manual shooting intuitive and fun. The APS-C sensor delivers excellent image quality while keeping the overall system lightweight and compact. The fully articulating touchscreen is perfect for vlogging, selfies, and creative angles while exploring new destinations. It captures sharp 4K video, ideal for travel content creators documenting their journeys. The compact Z-mount lenses designed for this system are noticeably smaller than full-frame alternatives, saving valuable bag space. Battery life is solid for a full day of moderate shooting between charges. The camera's distinctive design draws less attention than bulky professional bodies, which can be helpful in crowded tourist areas. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make transferring photos to your phone effortless while on the move. The autofocus system tracks subjects reliably for street photography and candid travel moments. Colors straight out of camera look vibrant and true to life, reducing editing time later. Travelers appreciate how this camera photographs beautifully while also being a genuine pleasure to shoot with daily. When you want stylish design paired with real photographic capability, the Nikon ZFC delivers charm and substance together. Number 4. Nikon Z50. Coming in at number 4 is the Nikon Z50 II, widely considered one of the best all-around travel cameras available from any brand this year. This camera features a 20.9-megapixel APS-C sensor that delivers detailed, vibrant images in a genuinely compact body. The autofocus system is fast and reliable, tracking faces and subjects accurately even in busy travel scenes. It includes 31 built-in picture control modes, letting you customize your look directly in camera without heavy editing later. The tilting touchscreen makes composing shots from unusual angles simple and intuitive. 4K video recording is smooth and detailed, perfect for capturing travel vlogs and memories. Weather sealing gives peace of mind when shooting in unpredictable conditions like rain or dusty environments. The lightweight body means you can carry this camera all day without shoulder fatigue. Battery life comfortably covers a full day of sightseeing between charges. The lens ecosystem for this mount continues expanding, offering compact options for wide-angle, portrait, and zoom needs. Built-in Wi-Fi allows instant sharing to social media while traveling. Reviewers consistently praise this camera as the best beginner step-up option for travelers wanting more than a smartphone delivers. When you want the ideal balance of image quality, portability, and ease of use, the Nikon Z52 is genuinely hard to beat. Number 3. Nikon Z5 II. At number 3, we have the Nikon Z5 II, a full-frame mirrorless camera that delivers professional image quality without the professional price tag or bulk. This camera features a full-frame sensor that dramatically outperforms smaller sensor cameras in low-light situations common during evening travel photography. The in-body image stabilization allows sharp handheld shots even in dim restaurants, temples, and nighttime cityscapes. Autofocus performance is impressively accurate, tracking moving subjects like children or wildlife during your travels. It captures detailed 4K video with excellent dynamic range for travel documentation. The weather-sealed body handles rain, dust, and humidity that often ruin travel days. Dual card slots provide backup security for irreplaceable travel memories, which matters enormously when you cannot reshoot a moment. The tilting touchscreen and clear viewfinder make composition easy in bright or dark conditions. Battery life is excellent, often lasting well beyond a full day of active shooting. The body remains reasonably compact for a full-frame camera, though lenses add noticeable weight to your travel kit. Reviewers repeatedly highlight this camera's outstanding value, calling it a fantastic all-rounder with very little to dislike. When you want full-frame quality without full-frame complexity or extreme cost, the Nikon Z5 II delivers exceptional value for serious travelers. Number 2. Nikon ZF. Taking silver at number 2 is the Nikon ZF, a beautifully styled full-frame camera that combines classic 1980s design with cutting-edge modern technology. This camera features a 24-megapixel full-frame sensor shared with several excellent cameras in Nikon's lineup, delivering outstanding image quality in nearly any lighting condition. The dedicated dial-based control system feels intuitive once learned, letting you adjust settings without diving into menus while exploring new locations. Subject recognition autofocus works impressively well, tracking people, animals, and vehicles accurately throughout your travels. The lack of a protruding grip keeps the body slimmer than many rivals, making it easier to pack and carry comfortably. In all-black form, this camera can be mistaken for a vintage film camera, which sometimes helps avoid unwanted attention in unfamiliar settings abroad. It captures excellent 4K video for travelers who want to document journeys beyond still photography. Weather sealing protects against the unpredictable conditions travel often brings. Battery life comfortably handles a full day of shooting between charges. The tactile shooting experience genuinely makes photography more enjoyable during long travel days. Full-frame lenses do add size and weight compared to smaller systems, worth considering for your specific trip. When you want a camera that looks as good as the images it captures, the Nikon ZF is a stunning travel companion. Number 1. Nikon Z6. 3. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Nikon Z6 III, widely regarded as the best full-frame camera for travel photography in 2026. This camera balances genuinely professional-grade features with a weight that remains manageable for daily travel carrying. The full-frame sensor delivers stunning image quality with excellent dynamic range, handling everything from bright midday landscapes to dim evening markets beautifully. The autofocus system is exceptionally fast and accurate, confidently tracking subjects through crowded streets, wildlife encounters, and fast-moving scenes. In-body stabilization allows sharp handheld shots in low light without needing a tripod, which matters enormously for spontaneous travel moments. It captures gorgeous 4K video at high frame rates, giving serious flexibility for travel content creation. The weather-sealed body confidently handles rain, dust, and humid conditions that ruin lesser cameras. Dual card slots protect your irreplaceable travel memories with instant backup while shooting. Battery life is outstanding, easily covering long travel days without anxiety about running dry. The bright, clear viewfinder makes composition easy even in harsh sunlight. Reviewers consistently praise this camera as being rewarded with stunning image quality that justifies the extra weight over smaller alternatives. When you want the single best full-frame travel camera money can buy from Nikon, the Z6 III stands confidently at the very top.